Welcome back, guys. So we've done the one for Google Search Console. Now we want to use Bing Webmaster to do the same. So I'm going to use the Bing Webmaster to do the same. So let's use that right now. So I'll go to Bing Webmaster and let's see how we can copy this link, which is the URL. Let's inspect it and let's see how it can be indexed on Bing Webmaster. Yes, too. So this is the Bing Webmaster 2, and we have billardcreative.com. We have the blog.billardcreative.com, which is the subdomain for the blog. So I'm going to come right here to the blog.billardcreative.com and I'll come to URL inspection. Yes, this is very important. And all I have to do now is to copy this. Yes, I'll copy the link to this. Let's copy that again. So I'll control A to copy. I'll control A to highlight, sorry. I'll control A to highlight and I'll right click to copy. Then I'll come to the Bing Webmaster Tool to inspect it. So I'll just paste it right here with Ctrl V. I'll Ctrl V to paste it. Then I'll inspect it right away. So now I'm going to inspect it and it says discovered but not crawled. Yes, URL cannot appear on Bing. So discovered on the inspected URL is not to Bing but has some issues which are preventing indexation. We recommend you to follow Bing Webmaster guidelines to increase your chances of indexation. So let's request indexing right now. Let's see if we could request for indexing despite all that. And here we've just requested for indexation, and as you can see, URL submitted successfully. So it's going to review it and let's see if that will happen. So you could test for live URL for the link. So what we are basically doing is that we are trying to optimize our blog content for search engine so that when people search for any keyword related to the blog content, they get to see it on search engines. And this is the manual way to go about it. And every other thing relies on how the crawler perceives your blog, how valuable your blog is. And right here, we just wait for the link to be indexed on Bing. And that's how to go about it here on Bing. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.